Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the May Boxycharm box. So if you are interested in seeing what we got this month, please keep watching. And real quick, if you're not already subscribed, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell before you leave. Alright, let's get right on into it. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to apologize for all this. The baby is super sick. She's been throwing up everywhere for days. So I've got like 5 minutes that she's gonna sleep. Like, I'm gonna say like 20 minutes tops that she will actually sleep before she starts spewing all over the place again. So I didn't really have time to really like doll myself up. So it's just really minimal makeup. Like, I think I've got like a little bit of bronzer as eyeshadow and mascara, and then a little bit of gloss. I'll link it below. So my glasses, just in loungewear. I apologize. Please bear with me. Barefaced, I know. Just bear with me. I'm so sorry. I got my Boxycharm on Tuesday and planned to film that night, and then that's when she started to get sick. So it's been a rough few days. I've been thrown up on more times in the last like 3 days than I think I have ever, and that's saying something because I have 4 kids. But yeah, so it's Friday now when I'm filming this, so I mean, and I got it Tuesday, so I've only had it a couple days, so I'm sorry that, but I mean, so it hasn't been that long, but I'm still sorry that it's taken me so long to get this up. I'm gonna try to upload it today. If not, though, I mean, it'll be up soon, I promise. So this is the box. It's a little smaller than usual. We still get the same amount of products in it. It's just, see, it's smaller than the box usually is. But let's see what's inside of it, I guess. Oh, and if anybody doesn't know what Boxycharm is, which I'm sure everybody does by now, but for anybody who doesn't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription makeup box. You pay $21 a month and you get like 5 full-size products, so it's well worth the money. Definitely well worth the money. I love Boxycharm. It's the only makeup subscription I currently get, and I highly recommend it to anybody who asks. So anyways, let's get right on into the box. We've got obviously our little pamphlet that tells us everything that's in here and the prices. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this color shifting pigment in Cupid. And it says it's eye luster cream eyeshadow. So it's from Ciate London. I don't know if I'm saying that right, so if I'm butchering it, I apologize. But it says, your new Ciate London's eye luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any shadow as a topper. And this retails for $22. So already, this little thing has paid for your entire box. And like I said, this is in the shade Cupid, and it looks like this. Looks like a lip gloss, but it's not. It's for your eyes. And that is what it looks like. Can you see that? It's very pretty. I'm sure there's some fun looks that could be done with this. I think that's really pretty. It's a little chunky, but I'm sure blended. Yeah, see, it blends really beautifully though. It looks chunky when you first like swatch it, but you can definitely smooth it out and it blends. So I'm excited to play with this. I think there could be a lot of fun looks you could do with it. Also, I apologize for my voice because I also have gotten sick. Not as sick as the spewing baby, but sick. So forgive me for that too. Alright, the next thing I am pulling out is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Looks like this, and it says, gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition well. The vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLES free. All skin types approved, and it retails for $28. I love Glam Glow, and you know I love getting skincare in these boxes, so I'm pretty excited about this to try it out when the face wash I'm currently using is gone. And it looks like this. I think the packaging's beautiful, so super excited. All right, the next thing I'm grabbing, I'm really excited about this, is Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Lazy Daisy. I love Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. They are like some of the absolute best liquid lipsticks. And this says, your new Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety, high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish, and it retails for $18. So it looks like this. I love this. You guys know I'm a sucker for nudes. And that's the color. So yeah, just a really very pretty nude. I'm excited about this. The next thing I am grabbing out of here is this Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. Looks just like this. I mean, it looks like an eyeliner because that's what it is. It says this vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips, and it retails for $14. This says it's emerald, and let's see what it looks like. So that's it right there. Yeah, right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually looks a little more blue than emerald to me, but it's really pretty. I think that like colored liners are kind of starting to come back in. I think this would be really fun to do a look like where it's just under the eye. So I'm excited to try this out. And then the last thing that we have in here is the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. It says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed blush without the damage of the rays, and it retails for $22. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You've got Castaway, and it's in kind of like an orangey color. You've got Paraiso, I think is how you say it, and it's more pink. And then you've got Scorcher, which is also kind of a darker, more pinkish orange. And I will swatch them on my arm for you. Okay, so here's them in the order that I showed you. And there they are on my arm, if you can see them. They are pretty smooth. They look slightly chunky, but I don't like to go by just swatches because, I mean, that's not how I'm going to use them when I use them. So I don't really know though that I can really use the oranges, but that pink looks very pretty, and so I think I will definitely keep this on my vanity and save it to do a look with. Maybe so there's been a couple Boxycharms I haven't been able to film for you guys, so maybe I'll just take all the stuff I haven't tried yet and do like a full face of new stuff using all Boxycharm stuff. That could be fun. Alright, so that is everything in the May Boxycharm box. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. I mean, there's a couple things I am like super excited about, like the Dose of Colors liquid lip I'm very excited about, and the Glam Glow face wash I'm super excited about. I wouldn't say this is like the most like I've been like hyped I've been about a box. There's definitely been boxes that I've liked more, but I still definitely think that it's well worth the price this month. This whole box, like I said, I paid $21 for it, and with everything in it, it actually retails out to $104. So seriously, phenomenal pricing again. If you're interested, I will have it linked down below, like my link thingy. Like I said, in like the last time, I think it gives me like charms or something if you click on it. I don't know. If you don't want to use my link or whatever, you don't have to. Use another YouTuber's. I know like Kathleen Lights does videos about Boxycharm, so I'm sure she's got a link. I'm sure there's a ton of other YouTubers that have them. Or just go to boxycharm.com, sign up if you're interested. And yeah, so I'm very excited about this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for being patient with me. We're getting back on a schedule, I promise you. And yeah, so thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.